Here we come to the opposite elevator at Rockefeller Plaza in New York City. This is the exact same elevator in which, if you remember my old video, I actually recorded this elevator long time ago, back in 2012. And I remember this elevator very well. Anyway, it should come up here in a sec. Someone was just getting on, so yeah. I think there's crowds of people going to be boarding on this elevator. The button doesn't light up, but it was working just earlier ago. All right, here it comes. I see it. I see it coming. And there is music out there, so I'm going to try to talk over as much as I could. I don't want to get a copyright claim, so hopefully it doesn't get onto the camera by any chance. Oh, what do you know? There's no one inside. All right, let's go to shops and dining. Listen to that motor. There used to be curtains around here, but they took it away for some reason. See if the call button. No, it's replaced. You see right here, see, this is the button that was replaced. I think they replaced the call button since my last visit, but everything else is still original. Here's Rockefeller. These are your fixtures. Anyways, I don't know what brand this elevator is. It's either an Otis or an ESCO of some sort. Anyways, there it goes, and that's it.